In this video, I want to show you how to connect your Mac computer to your Brother MFC-L2900DW, how to print using Wi-Fi, and also how to get the scan result files directly on your Mac. So let's get started right away. The first step is to actually connect the printer to the same Wi-Fi network as your Mac. On the main control panel, if you don't see what I see right now, press the home button. You're going to tap on the Wi-Fi icon right over here. Right now there is a question mark simply because it's not connected to any Wi-Fi. So by tapping over here, I'll be able to select Find Wi-Fi Network, the first option. Wait a few seconds and it will search for all the networks that are currently around the printer. You'll be able to scroll up and down and find your network. Tap on it once you have found it, press OK, and now type the password of the network. You can use capital letters over here, or if your password has numbers, you can also do this. Same thing for symbols. Then press OK. Wait a few seconds, and you're going to get this confirmation message, connected. Then on your Mac, you need to go on the top left corner and click on the Apple logo. Then you need to go down and select System Settings. Go down in the left side menu until you see Printers and Scanners. Click on it, and then on the right side, go all the way down to select Add Printer, Scanners or Fax. A window will open and you have to select Brother MFC-L2900DW. Make sure it's selected in blue and then go down below and click on Add. Your printer is now connected to your Mac computer. You can close the screen and open anything you wish to print. A web page, a picture, a PDF file, doesn't matter. Over here I want to print a web page. Once you have found the thing you want to print, go on the top corner and select File. Then click on Print. Where you see Printer, click over there and select Brother MFC-L2900DW. There's a few settings you can change before pressing the print button, including the page range. Let's say I just want to print the first one. Do you want to print on both sides of the paper or just one side? The paper size. And if you go down below, you also have under Media and Quality, the quality. So by default, it's set to normal. If you're printing something with a lot of fine details, I suggest you click on Best. It will give you better results. But if it's just a PDF file or a text file, the one I'm printing right now with some small images, you can leave it to normal. You won't see much difference. I'll press the print button and usually in under 12 seconds, the result will come out. You can also extend the paper output right over here so that the paper doesn't fall on the ground. It's printing on both sides. And here you go, we got our result. Now how to use the scanner? Actually, there's two different scanners. A scanner glass and also an automatic top document feeder. If you want to input a paper on the scanner glass, you need to put it facing down with the top part of your document towards the left side. And now we need to make sure that this corner, the top left corner of your paper, touches the top left corner of the scanner. Just like this. This is how you know that your paper is aligned. But for this video, I won't use it. I'll demonstrate with the top document feeder. You can put multiple pages in it. Over here, I have 3 pages. And the good news is that even if your pages are printed on both sides, it will be able to scan them automatically without you having to flip them. First, align your document and you're going to place it with the first page on the top facing up. and with the top part of your document towards the left side. If these plastic guides are in the way, simply push them and glide your paper just like this. You're gonna hear a beep, and this is normal. It's just the printer telling you that it has detected some paper on the top. Now extend this small flap over here, because at the end, once the paper gets scanned, it will come out down below, and if you don't deploy this, it will simply fall on the ground. If your paper gets stuck, if you get a paper jam in your top document feeder, you can always open this flap and untangle whatever paper is there. Most people will never have to open the panel though. On your Mac computer, you're going to go on the top right corner and tap on the magnifying glass. And you simply have to type capture. This is the app that we need to open. It comes included with your Mac. You don't have to download anything. Then over here, click on Share. And you're going to select your Brother MFC-L2900DW. Wait a few seconds. Now, it will give you a preview over here if you have inserted a document on the scanner glass. This preview is not saved. If, just like me, you have your document in the top document feeder, you won't see anything appearing there. Let's go on the right side. So first of all, scan mode. You have to select which one of the scanner of your printer are you using. As you saw, I will use the document feeder, so I will select it over here. Then you have kind. Do you want to scan in color or in black and white? It's up to you to choose. Resolution, you're going to have multiple options. The highest the number, the more detail you'll have, but also more time to scan it will take. And the file will also take more space on your Mac computer. For a text file, 200 or 300 dpi is enough. You have the size of your document you have inserted in your scanner to select. Orientation, don't touch it. And finally, scan to. You can select in which folder on your Mac you want this to go. You can give this scan a custom name, so I don't know. And then format, you can choose which format you want it to be. If you're going to scan multiple pages on the top document feeder and you want to combine them in one single PDF file, select PDF and make sure that combine into single document is checked. Then press the scan button. And as you see, the printer will take page by page and they will come down over here once they are scanned. At the end, you're going to get a message that it has been scanned. And if I go see on my desktop, let me close this, I will see the document that I just scanned. And if I open it, you can see that all the pages are over here. Now, I have forgot to mention, but if you're going to scan on both sides of the page, you need to check duplex over here. If not, it will just scan the front of each pages. But overall, this is it. I hope my tutorial was helpful. If so, leave a comment down below. Tell me it was helpful or not. Check my Amazon links if you want to support my channel. I'll have put links towards toner, replacement toner for this printer, some paper, or even a brand new printer. Every time you purchase through my links, I get a very small commission. It doesn't cost you more, but it helps my channel. See you in the next video.